Amring constituency ke parlo Mokhim LP school Ahem ki mimide ajok Thangbang mati teacher atum ki sung ki dunang. Nason si nombor sur kep Amring constituency ke parlo jirikindeng pen kahelo kilometer kep anso se Mokhim LP school Ahem. Kaheno ajok Thangbang assistant headmaster lapen thanra ped atum pen ang chuning ridun. CM Dr. Tulram Ronghang Karbang ng Autonomous Council Kachari Mate ilitum kachinghon education EM Richard Tong Biaphan Prabjin Pen School Ahem kimi nang wan pibek tha pati nang wan pibek nang ji pura Thangbang atum pen kachuning ripon padu Thangbang ahin penang pachinidu na tingilabang so school laki non head penai school kalilo Harukri Silkebra Trokebra Hinimate 1962 aning kan pen anlo la si Ahem ban piglo po la si Hem kimi Prabjin penang kimpivek tha athela bangso school along Charlie Osumarta dopik la pen classroom kimi me ajok mate classroom ka vedera jo Osumara tumadug dopik piglo po si nang pachidun mate so dak penang chuning ridun
सबके धन्यवाद जनाइছো আপোনালোক আহিছে ভাল লাগিছে আমাৰ স্কুলৰ কন্ডিশনটো দেখুৱাইছে তো আমাৰ কন্ডিশন স্কুল অলপ আমি দিছো মেমৰেন্ডম আমাৰ ডিএমসি ছাৰো একদিনাখন আহিছিলে তেওঁ স্কুলৰ কন্ডিশনটো চাইছে আৰু গোটেইখিনি চাই পেলাই তেওঁ কৈছে যে লিখি পেলাই লৈ গৈছে যে বনাম বুলি কৈছে আমালোকক তো আমি আশা কৰিছো আমাৰ স্কুলৰ কন্ডিশনটো ভাল হৈ যাব আৰু ইমানে আৰু কি আৰু খুদিলে কিবা খুদক ছাৰ আপোনালোকে
এনৰোলমেন্ট মতে তো ইয়াতে 60-70 আছে আৰু সপ্তাহত কিমান দিয়ে মিড ডে মিল
তো সপ্তাহত এটো মাজত সময়ত চাউলটো শেষ হৈ গৈছে চাউল নাছিলে 2-3 মাহটো দিয়া নাছিলোঁ কিন্তু এতিয়াতো আমি সপ্তাহত যেতিয়া স্কুল লাগে আজিতো মানে হেৰি নাই কিন্তু সপ্তাহ 2-3 দিন মান আমি দি থাকোঁ যেনেকা মানে চাউলৰ কোৱান্টিটি হিচাপে আমি ডিস্ট্ৰিবিউশন কৰি থাকোঁ
First of all, I would like to thank our reporter, local reporter, Samsing Iti, for visiting our school today, Mokhim LP school. Thank you, sir, for coming to us. And if you have any questions from your side, you may ask. I am here working.
So, what about this building?
Regarding this building, last year our DMC also have visited. DMC and ADPU have visited. During their visit, I have already spoken about this building. This building actually it is since 1962, so it became very old. And due to that, all the windows and the doors are also broken. And it is very difficult for the students, especially during the windy time and during the rainy season. The rainwater and the cold wind enter inside the class, so it become a lot of difficulty here. And during their visit, I have requested them to provide from the departmental side replacement of this building. They have proposed me for the major repairing, and if not the minor repairing, the major repairing, 2 options they have given to me, and I have rejected that because according to what you also have seen, the condition, it is not good for the major or repairing option. So the building has to be replaced. Newly we have to get the building. That is our expectation. My headmaster today, though he is not here, but the same words he has said to me. So right now we are working 3 teachers here, headmaster Mr. Rajendra Tirang, and I assistant headmaster or the CRCC of Mokhim cluster, and also Binod Kumar Sharma, assistant teacher.
How many enrollment is here?
Yeah, right now our present enrollment is 77, and daily the attendance is fluctuating between 60 to 55%. That is daily here. So